Hello. Welcome to another video here with us at Mathematics Resource Center. And today we'll be looking at order of operation. And I'm going to take you through the journey, make sure that it is as fun as possible, and ensure that you capture what we're doing here today and master the skills. Let's go. Alright, so today, as said before, we're looking at order of operation. And it says compute the following 3 2 plus open bracket 3 times 4. And when we look at order of operation, a few things come to mind. BODMAS, BOMDAS, PEMDAS, or BIDMAS, and there might be others. Alright, so with all of these, what they're trying to say is that we work the bracket first, and then the next thing we do is powers, if we have any powers, exponents, and the next thing we'll do is multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. Let's say that again. Multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. And the last thing that we'll do is addition or subtraction, whichever one comes first. So here I've highlighted the multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. So even if they have the M before the T, it doesn't matter. It's whichever one comes first in the question that you're doing. And then when you're doing the last part, addition or subtraction, if addition comes before subtraction, coming from left to right, so coming from that way, whatever comes first, that is the one that we're going to do. Alright, when it comes on to multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave this last one here. Alright, and I'm just gonna go with the question. So it says 2 plus open bracket 3 times 4. So we're gonna go with the bracket first. So 3 times 4 is 12. And I write down my digits as they fall. So let me backtrack a bit. I put on my 12 under the 3 times 4. Then I put my plus, and then I put my 2 under the 2. So I'm writing it as it falls, as it was given. I'm not changing the positions, alright? And then the last thing it says, what is now 2 plus 12? And that is 14. And that gives me my first answer. Alright, let's go with the second one now. For the second one, I have 9 times 4 divided by 2. What am I going to do first? If you look at this, right, you see the D comes first. Does that mean that I'm going to do division first? No. All this is saying to me is that I am going to do either division or multiplication, depending on which one comes first, right? So looking at this question, I see multiplication coming first. So I'm going to do multiplication first. So I go ahead and I do 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So I write down my 36. What comes after my division sign? It goes here. What comes after that? My 2, it goes there. So I go ahead and I write all of those down. Alright? Now, the next thing that I'm seeing is 36 divided by 2. What is 36 divided by 2? Okay, that is 18. So I put my 18. And there goes my answer. Easy, right? I know. Alright, so let's get to the next question. Which calculation should you do first and why? So looking at it, and let's just write BIDMAS again. Or let's write another one, BOMDAS. Alright, which of these calculations should I do first and why should I do it first? Looking at the first question, so this is A. So these are two different questions. This is A and that's B. So looking at A, based on the method, I need to do multiplication or division before I do addition. So two operations happening, division happening and addition happening. Alright, so I need to do the division first before I do the addition or the subtraction. So I'd have divided 15 by 3. So let's just work it out. 15 divided by 3 plus 4. So I divide 15 by 3, which gives me 5. I bring down my sign here, which is my plus, and I bring down my 4. Now I say 5 plus 4, which is 9. Good? Alright, so let's look at the other question. Let me tidy this up a bit. Oops. So let's put our 5. Oops. Plus our 4, which equals 9. So let's look at the next one. It says 15 divided by 3 times 4. Okay, what am I going to do first? Am I going to do the division first, or am I going to do the multiplication? What am I going to do first? The methods say multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. What comes first? Division. So you're going to divide first. So we have 15 divided by 3 times 4. We're going to divide first. What is 15 divided by 3? That is 5. And then we have times 4. And that gives me 5 times 4, which is 20. I want you to always look at only two things at a time. Focus only on the operation that is happening between two numbers. As big as the question is, you can only do one operation at a time. Alright? So just focus on one operation. Just do one operation at a time and you'll be perfectly fine. Alright? I know that this video was one of the best you have seen so far. Alright, so go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe, and just continue to give us your support. Until next time, bye bye.